Peace TV, the solution for humanity.
My name is Sushil Karamputkar, official photographer, All India Radio, Vivid Bharati Service and Bombay Doordarshan Kendra. I have visited holy country of Islam, that is Saudi Arabia, 3 times and spent nearly 4 years in Saudi Arabia and watched Islam from closer distance. Now, Dr. Zakir Naik, my question is, there is a Muslim blind person. His one eye is replaced by eye donated by a Hindu person. His one kidney is replaced by kidney donated by a Christian person. And his heart is replaced by a heart donated by a Parsi gentleman. Such a Muslim person will be allowed to perform prayers in the mosque.
The brother asked a question that he had been to Saudi Arabia and one person, his eyes from a Hindu or heart from a Christian and kidney from so and so, various things. So having eye from another religion, heart from another religion, can you offer salah in the mosque? The answer is, brother, according to Islam, every human being is born as a Muslim. Every heart is a Muslim. Every kidney is a Muslim. Every eye is a Muslim. What is the meaning of Muslim? Muslim is a person who submits their will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every heart submits their will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm talking about the organic heart. Organic heart, no? Organic heart, it pumps blood. The heart of the Christian pumps blood. The heart of a Muslim pumps blood. The heart of a Hindu pumps blood. The heart is a Muslim. Talking about the organic heart. Eye, the organic eye is a Muslim. But you see wrong things. I'm sorry, I'm not telling you. You mean you. The human being sees wrong thing. So human being is to blame. But the eye sees. The eye is following the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The kidney is doing its job. It's purifying. It's a Muslim. So whether heart taken from a person who's born in a Hindu family or Christian family, every heart is a Muslim, every eye is a Muslim, every kidney is a Muslim. He will be very well allowed to play in a mosque. But even if a non-Muslim wants to come to the mosque, he's most welcome. Our beloved Prophet, he had discussions about concept of God. Time didn't permit me. The revelation of Surah Ikhlas, the touchstone of theology, which I gave to everyone, was revealed when? When he was having a discussion with the Christians in the mosque. And they asked him, who is Allah? What can you think? The Quran says you convert all the trees into pens, all the ocean into ink. What will he say, Rahman, Rahim? What answer can he give? The direct revelation came. Qul, tell them, Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say is Allah one and only. Allahu samad. Allah the absolute eternal. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There is nothing like him.
Next question from the slip.